Hi, Jamie here from Poodlepress. Hope you're well. Here's a look at the new version of 18 Tags Pro, which has some incredibly exciting options that we've built into it for you, of which we're looking at one right now. So this is the new homepage hero, which will just transform your home pages into this stunning visual homepage. And I'm going to talk you through some of the main features that we've built into the newest version of 18 Tags Pro. So here we go. So the first option is this lovely homepage option, and I'm just going to click on Customize to show you some of the cool things you can do here. So this is all accessed via header and navigation and then header type, and in here we've got a ton of options. Now by default it will be set as default up here, and your homepage will look like this, most likely, but we've got some other options in here. So if I click on featured image, that will take the featured image of the page and create that as the background to that homepage. If I scroll down, you'll see we've still got page content down here. Now by default it will put that featured image behind the menu at the top here, but you'll see we've got this new option down here that says homepage hero position, that you can actually put it below the header, and that will actually put it below the header like so, which is a more traditional layout. So you can still keep the same layout that you probably got on your sites at the moment, but just build this into it. I'm going to put it behind the header for now, just because it looks beautiful. And then we've got these other options down here, which I'll just highlight here. Slider, and you'll see you can actually create sliders now within your homepage, and you'll see this will automatically slide across here. Now these are just accessed via here. You just upload an image, you can put title and text here, and you can also have different button text and different button links for each of your sliders as they move across the screen here. So that's really cool. We've got a slider option, and we've also got a video option here. So let me just click on that so you can see that in the preview. So this is a video, and you just literally put a link to the video here. I've just put in one from Vimeo here, and you see the videos playing. So this is really stunning. So if you've got some great videos, you can really highlight them on your homepage here. Let me just pause that. So let me just go back to the slider here. But we've put some other options into this homepage here as well. So you can also change the height of this. By default, your sliders will be the full height of your screen. But you'll see we've actually brought this new option here, home header height. And if I just slide that down, you will see that this now reduces up here. You can see that, which is really, really cool. So you can actually select the height of this just by this little slider here. And you'll see we've built this other option in here. Let me just flick here, that you can actually change this text as well now. So this is all new. So you can now change the title size, and you can change the title text in here. So you've got access to all your, there you go, just reduce that down. Let's just change the text. Go on to this next slider, and there you go, my text has changed. So you've got some beautiful controls built into your home page, and these all work on mobile as well. So this text here, let me just go to this slider here. So let's make this bigger so you can see this. I'm just going to change the title size, make it quite big, and you'll see when I reduce the size of the screen here, not on this slider but on the next one, you'll see, can you see how that text is actually reduced down in size? So it's flow text, so it just adapts automatically for mobile. You see there, that's the desktop view, much bigger. Reduce it down on mobile, much smaller. So you don't have to worry about faffing around with the text, it will just adapt automatically for you. So that's a look at the new homepage hero that we've pulled into 18 Tags Pro. I think it's really, really beautiful and has got some stunning options in it. We've got some other cool stuff that's in this version as well. The next one is the ability to have a image above your pages, and it will take the featured image of your pages. Let me just go to edit page here. So if you set a featured image of a page, you can actually have that behind the header up here as well now. Let me just go to page attributes. Let's go to featured image, and you'll see in here I've got a featured image. Let's go back to the page here, and you'll see it's just placed that image, once this page loads up, behind the header again. And again, the options for that is in the customizer, header and navigation, header type. And can you see we've got this new option down here that says site-wide hero, and by default, let me go to default here. This is the default option at the moment. It'll take the featured image and it'll just put it above your page title like so. But if you want to put it behind the header, you can. Just a simple click, and there we go. Just again, it's a really beautiful effect and super easy to do. So that's the site-wide hero. And then the final thing I'm going to show you is the ability to have a post slider on your blog page. So now we've built this ability, actually two more things I want to show you. The ability to have this really nice post slider on your blog page. Now that will take any post that you've set as being sticky posts, and it will automatically create this slider on your blog page automatically for you. And I'll just show you the option for that one. And again, it's all through the customizer, header and navigation, post here, and then post page. And you'll see at the top here, we've got this new option here that says show featured post slider. And that will take any of you, as I say, that will take any of your posts and it will feature them in this beautiful slider at the top here. And then the final thing I want to show you is the ability to change the height of your, which again is a request we've had from lots of customers, the ability to change the height of your single post featured posts. So by default, your single post image height will probably be about here, which looks beautiful. And let me just go back to the post, which will look like this. There we go. Which is great, but some people, and I understand why, want this to take up less screen real estate, and so we built that option in for you. So if I go to customize posts, single post, you'll see we've got this new option down here that says single post image height, and this simple slider to use where you can just reduce the pixel height of your sliders. So let me just make this a little bit smaller just so you can see how easy that is to do. And that will affect all your posts. So now every post on the site has got that height on it. So it just gives you, again, more controls to design the site according to how you want your website to look. So that's a look at the new features on 18 Tags Pro. I think they're really exciting. I hope you enjoyed them.